Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials transform into the packaging that shapes our world. From ink to finished boxes, we embark on a satisfying ASMR journey through a world of precision and craft.
Our journey begins with the finest virgin paperboard, sourced sustainably to ensure premium quality and strength.
Every roll undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest grade material continues to the next stage.
These pristine rolls are precisely prepared, then loaded into our state-of-the-art machinery, ready for transformation.
Automated precision ensures each paperboard roll is perfectly positioned, commencing its journey through our advanced printing line. With a powerful hum, the press awakens, drawing the paperboard into a ballet of rollers and precision mechanics. The first layer of vibrant cyan ink is meticulously applied, a symphony of rollers bringing color to life.
Magenta joins the canvas, each microscopic droplet precisely placed, building the foundation of our vibrant designs.
Through controlled heat, the inks dry instantly, locking in the vibrant colors that are now beginning to emerge.
Finally, the rich black ink adds depth and definition, completing the full color spectrum of our designs.
The blank canvas is transformed. Each sheet emerges a vibrant testament to precision, ready for the next stage.
Freshly printed, these vibrant sheets are precisely transported by our AGVs, moving to the next stage of creation. Powerful die cutters precisely stamp out each box shape, transforming flat sheets into three-dimensional components with accuracy. Every scoreline and crease is meticulously formed, guiding the paperboard into its destined three-dimensional structure effortlessly. These perfectly cut components glide effortlessly along the conveyor, each one ready for the precision folding that awaits. Automated arms initiate the magical transformation, precisely folding the first flaps, bringing the box to life. Invisible yet vital, precision nozzles apply the perfect adhesive, ensuring each fold holds its form securely. With a final precise fold, the box takes its complete form, strong and elegant, ready for its purpose. Each perfectly formed box glides towards rigorous quality control, where every detail is meticulously scrutinized for perfection.
Every seam, every edge undergoes meticulous scrutiny by our experts, ensuring absolute structural integrity and beauty.
Even the slightest imperfection leads to rejection. Our commitment to flawless luxury packaging is absolute. Digital colorimeters verify every hue, guaranteeing absolute color fidelity, a hallmark of our premium packaging. Approved boxes are meticulously shrink-wrapped, protecting their pristine condition for secure transport and storage. Robotic precision stacks each bundle onto pallets, preparing them for their journey to destinations worldwide. The finished products, now meticulously packaged, begin their final journey, ready to reach global markets. Finally, on elegant retail shelves, our packaging captivates, a silent promise of the luxury within.
Beyond protection, our packaging tells a story, a silent invitation to explore the quality it holds.
Every debossed detail, a testament to craftsmanship, conveying luxury through subtle, tactile elegance and design.
Before ink meets paper, our designers meticulously craft concepts, blending aesthetics with structural integrity for perfection.
Every printing plate is meticulously loaded, ensuring perfect alignment, setting the stage for flawless color reproduction. Microscopic precision guides every sheet, ensuring perfect registration, where each color aligns flawlessly with the next. Witness the mesmerizing dance of colors, as each unit adds a layer, bringing intricate designs to vibrant life. Colossal press operates with relentless power, a symphony of engineering, bringing countless designs to existence.
Metallic inks add a luxurious shimmer, catching the light, elevating the packaging to an art form of prestige.
Our skilled technicians make real-time adjustments, ensuring every color matches exacting specifications, maintaining brand integrity. Beyond automation, human expertise performs meticulous checks, ensuring every printed sheet meets our stringent quality standards.
From the press, these masterfully printed sheets journey onward, destined for precise cutting that defines their final form. With razor-sharp precision, powerful blades trim the edges, ensuring every sheet is perfectly squared for assembly.
The perfectly trimmed edge, a testament to precision, ensures a flawless foundation for the box's structural integrity.
The human touch, a final sensory check, ensures every surface is flawlessly smooth, ready for transformation.
With immense power, the die cutter transforms flat sheets into intricate components, a symphony of precision and force.
Every score and crease is meticulously formed, ensuring perfect folds and robust structural integrity for each box.
These perfectly cut components glide effortlessly, each destined for the precise folding and gluing that awaits. Automated arms deftly fold the main flaps, initiating the magical transformation from flat sheet to three-dimensional form.
Hot melt adhesive is precisely applied, creating instant, powerful bonds, ensuring lasting structural integrity for every box.
Automated rollers press the final folds, creating a perfectly rigid, elegant box, ready for its discerning contents.
Each completed box proceeds to its ultimate test, final quality inspection, ensuring absolute perfection before dispatch. High-speed cameras meticulously scan every surface, detecting micro defects invisible to the human eye, ensuring perfection. Automated systems meticulously sort, ensuring only flawless boxes proceed, while any imperfection is efficiently diverted. Our expert teams analyze real-time data, continuously optimizing processes, ensuring every box exceeds the highest standards. Flawless and approved, these exquisite boxes now proceed to their final, luxurious packaging, ready for discerning clients.
Automated precision wraps each bundle in branded, protective film, ensuring their perfect condition for delivery. Silent AGVs transport these meticulously wrapped pallets, ensuring a smooth, secure journey to the shipping docks. A fleet of trucks stands ready, carrying our expertly crafted packaging to markets, connecting brands and consumers globally.
From cosmetics to electronics, our diverse packaging designs embody luxury, protecting and enhancing every premium product. Embossing and foil stamping add unparalleled luxury, transforming a simple logo into a gleaming emblem of prestige.
Collaborating with clients, our designers bring visions to life, crafting packaging that truly captures their brand essence.
Our technicians meticulously fine-tune UV coating machines, ensuring a flawless, high-gloss finish that captivates attention.
Under intense UV light, the coating instantly cures, transforming the surface into a brilliant, protective, high-gloss finish.
Glossy and vibrant, these sheets are carefully stacked, their enhanced beauty ready for the final stages of creation.
Under meticulous inspection, every glossy sheet is scrutinized for perfection, ensuring an unblemished, premium finish.
Even the tiniest imperfection is detected and rejected, upholding our unwavering commitment to absolute flawlessness. Spot UV, our artisans meticulously apply protective varnish, enhancing specific elements with exquisite, tactile brilliance.
Laser precision creates intricate scores and perforations, adding unique functionality and exquisite detail to every box.
These uniquely shaped components, born from laser precision, flow seamlessly towards specialized assembly, ready for their final form. Automated arms expertly assemble complex structures, where multiple components unite to form sophisticated, functional packaging.
Specialized adhesives precisely bond internal structures, creating perfect compartments and enhancing the box's functionality.
Embellished and perfect, these luxury boxes glide towards their final protective wrapping, preserving their exquisite beauty.
Custom holographic seals are precisely applied, ensuring authenticity and tamper-evident security for every high-value package. Every holographic seal undergoes meticulous scrutiny, guaranteeing tamper-proof security and absolute brand authenticity. Exquisitely finished and sealed, each luxury box is meticulously prepared, nestled securely for its journey ahead. Securely crated and labeled, these precious packages are now ready for their global voyage, a testament to our quality.
Keep them coming steady. Watch the alignment on the third crate. Handle with care, these are high value.
Carefully unpacked, each luxury box arrives pristine, ready to captivate discerning customers in its exclusive setting.
On display, our packaging transforms products into coveted objects, a silent invitation to a world of luxury.
The irresistible allure of exceptional packaging, a silent symphony of design, drawing discerning hands to its exquisite form.
A satisfied smile, the ultimate reward. Our packaging not only protects, but also delights, fulfilling every expectation.
Each box, a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, stands as a testament to our unwavering pursuit of perfection. Our legacy is crafted into every detail, a silent promise of unparalleled quality, elegance, and enduring luxury. From ink to finished boxes, our journey concludes, leaving a legacy of innovation,